Welcome to this tips and tricks video. I'm Ellen and I'm going to be showing you about the search function. To search in Zendesk, you've got two ways that you can access the search function. You've got the add and then search, which takes you to the search page. Alternatively, you can click on the magnifying glass and search for any ticket ID, keywords or users. So for example, if I type in demo, it will show me that we've got one user and 11 tickets featuring that word. I can also search for ticket IDs and it'll take me directly to a ticket. Also available in the search function is advanced features. Thanks for watching.